Welcome everyone, my name is Leo and today I'm going to be teaching you how to overlay data in Mapbox. Without further ado, let's get stuck into it. To start off, we're going to log into our Mapbox account and it'll bring us to this home page here. So you can see here, you can see all the previous projects that you have done. Anyway, I'm going to go to Style Editor. I'm going to go Classic Template. You can select which style you'd like to create. In our case, we're just going to go for satellite streets. You can even customize the actual map. And yeah, so it takes us to the zoomed in shot in the world that was currently in Dubai. So your map is essentially created. You want to zoom in or zoom out and then zoom back into your area of focus. So we'll zoom back in all the way to Australia and we'll go to Melbourne. So now that our map is almost ready, we will need to import some data into this to essentially show the information we want to show. Now to do that, we have to go and grab some data. So the best place you can go to get that data is Orin. Now Orin has data sets that you can import from here into Mapbox as a GeoJSON file. So let's look for travel to work. Now you can see there's an abundance of examples of data sets. So the one we would like would be either to focus on the whole country or focus on Melbourne as an individual. So let's just have a look and just keep in mind that some of these examples may be a little bit old, like this one that says 1986. However, Orin has the ability to allow you to update this data on a regular basis. That way you can take information from today and import it into the file. So method of travel to work, census 2016, that one looks good, so we'll click on that. Oh yeah, this one's pretty good. So this one encompasses the entirety of the country, which is good because it will also have a focal point of Melbourne within it. So I want to download the data set. Okay, so the format we want is a GeoJSON file, so that way it's going to display the right data set. And we can even set up spatial filters as well. So in our case, we'll click on Victoria because that's where Melbourne's based, and then you just click download. After being downloaded, we're going to come back into Mapbox. We'll actually click on our home tab, and what we're going to do in order to import this data into Mapbox is we'll go to Data Manager, and you want to click New Tile Set. So select a file, go to your downloads, click Confirm, and just like that, your data is imported into Mapbox, ready to go. To further improve our our map, we're going to jump into actually Victorian data and search for bus stops. So as you can see, it has different types of file types. So it has GeoJSON. We're going to click on that and download that data. We're going to compare bicycle and let's say it's greater than, let's say, greater than 304. So greater than 304 people who've travelled to work via bike, which is very small, as you can tell. And we can also add another condition to overlay some more data. So another condition we can add to it is car as driver. We'll say is greater than, try and see if we can get something close to the value that we've got for bike. Greater than, let's go 455. Done. So currently we can't see the bus stops, but to change that, you can see the tileset contains mostly point features, so go to something that will resemble these points and you'll be clearly able to see the bus stops. Now to further enhance this, we can even change it to symbols. Now to get these symbols, what we're going to do is go to marqueeicons.com, and this will, if you come here, you'll see you'll be able to download these icons, so that way you can change it to something more suitable, like one for a bus stop. So you can see there's tram and other rail services there. I already have this downloaded, so let's go to symbols, go to style, scroll down, go to icon actually, and then you'll see all the marquee icons here. So let's see if the bus shows up. Scroll down, transit bus comes up right there. You can even modify the size a little bit. Let's go to, now as you can see, if I just do that, you can see the actual icons are coming up, but you can't really see them because the other data is overlaying it. So what we'll do is grab this one here, and then you're just going to drag it up, so that way it's going to be on top of the remaining data. So as you zoom in, you should be able to see more and more stops. Fix this up, you can see both our bicycle and our bus travel to work data are kind of lost within each other. So we're going to change the colors to fix that. So go color, go to red, and that's highlighting the bike data. It's actually white, so we'll just change that to like a red, and actually rename it too if we can. Alright. And then we're going to do the same thing with the bus data, so let's make that blue. Just give it a contrast. Okay. And that's pretty much how you make the map. Just zoom in, you'll be able to see the marquee icons highlighting the bus stops as well within